Gutter installation in Warren, MI, is essential for homeowners looking to protect their properties from water damage. Our gutter company in Warren offers top-notch gutter installation services, ensuring your home is safeguarded against the elements. With seamless gutters, Warren, you can enjoy a sleek, efficient system that enhances your home's curb appeal and functionality. Gutter repair in Warren, Michigan is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your gutter systems. Our gutter specialists in Warren provide expert gutter repair services, addressing issues like leaks, sagging, and blockages. Trust our gutter experts in Warren, MI to restore your gutters to optimal condition, preventing costly water damage to your home. Gutter cleaning services in Warren are vital for keeping your gutters free of debris and functioning properly. Our gutter cleaning Warren team offers thorough cleaning solutions, removing leaves, twigs, and other obstructions. Regular gutter maintenance in Warren, Michigan ensures your gutters remain efficient and effective year-round. Seamless gutters in Warren, MI are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a durable, low-maintenance option. Our gutter contractors in Warren specialize in seamless gutter installation, providing a custom fit that reduces the risk of leaks. Choose seamless gutters. Warren for a long-lasting, aesthetically pleasing solution. Downspout installation in Warren is a key component of a well-functioning gutter system. Our gutter service provider in Warren, Michigan offers professional downspout installation services, ensuring proper water flow away from your home's foundation. Protect your property with expertly installed downspouts from our gutter professionals in Warren, MI. Gutter replacement in Warren, MI is sometimes necessary when repairs are no longer sufficient. Our gutter experts in Warren offer seamless gutter replacement services, ensuring your new gutters are both functional and visually appealing. Trust our gutter specialists, Warren, Michigan, for a seamless transition to new, efficient gutters. Gutter protection in Warren is a smart investment for homeowners looking to minimize maintenance. Our Gutter Guards Warren, Michigan solutions prevent debris from clogging your gutters, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Enhance your gutter efficiency. Warren, MI with our top-of-the-line gutter protection options. Gutters. Warren services in Warren, MI encompass a wide range of solutions to meet your needs. From gutter installation to gutter repair, our gutter service provider Warren, Michigan offers comprehensive services to keep your gutters in peak condition. Rely on our gutter professionals, Warren, MI, for all your rain gutter needs.